Hey assessment fans, welcome to Edulastic. This video is going to help you through some basic steps, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is check your email and in the search bar, type in Barracuda Networks to find your spam filter because the Edulastic email most likely went there. The email will be from Edulastic support. Go ahead and click on deliver or whitelist and that should put it into your inbox. After you've opened the email, click on the link to accept the invitation and begin using Edulastic. It's here that you're going to want to create your account, and you might already have another account, but make sure that the account that you create has redlands.k12.ca.us. I had another account with redlandsschools.net. That's going to just remain separate and it will stay under the free account. If you want the upgraded version, you're going to have to create an account using redlands.k12.ca.us. Once you're all signed in, you'll see the dashboard and you'll have no classes. So it's a great idea to sync with Google Classroom at this point. And once you've synced with Google Classroom, you'll see your classes on the dashboard. And if you don't see them, remember that refresh is your friend. That's right. There was a couple times where I didn't see my classes show up, or sometimes I've adjusted filters when I'm looking through items. I've noticed with Edulastic, if you refresh, a lot of times the things will reappear when they have sometimes disappeared. Once you can get your classes to appear, down here there is an icon for the item bank. And go ahead and click on that. And once you've entered the item bank, depending on what the filters are that you've chosen, you will see any number of items appear on the right-hand side of the screen. Please be careful when you create new items that you have the correct filters set for whatever item you create. I've noticed when you create things, they might disappear on you if you don't have the correct filters set. Let's go ahead and create a new item. Click on New Item. And you could choose multiple choice, fill in the blank. There's any number of different types of questions you could ask. Let's choose a graphing problem. And you go ahead and enter your question. Notice how they have the equation editor too, so you can write out functions. So I'm going to have the kids graph f of x equals -3/4x plus 1. Hit OK. You can set the point value, and then we will draw the answer for this problem. And once the solution is drawn, you can choose these other options down here. But the most important thing is, I would say, preview it. Try the question out for yourself, and you can check the answer. But here's something very important. You want to make sure that you have these filters set, like mathematics, whatever standard you decide to go with is the one that you're going to need on the next page, or you're going to lose, or you won't be able to find your assessment item. So notice I have grade 9, grade 10, grade 11, grade 12. I just have Math Common Core. And then you can choose to put any standard you want in here. And it happens to be that standard, so we'll select that. Another very helpful tool is the tags. Maybe we want to say graphing, and a lot of people use the same tag. So I found a tag called linear function graph, and maybe that might be helpful when you're trying to search for this item later. Go ahead and hit save and then publish. Once again, if you don't see your items, make sure that you hit the refresh button and maybe they will appear. Also, make sure your filters are again set to what did you put the filters at. Make sure that the grade level and the subject area are matching. If they're not matching, you won't be able to see your item. From here, you can just add these items to a test and assign the test to your class. So you click on New Test up here. Again, you can name the test, and then later on you can assign the test to your students in Google Classroom. And that's going to do it. Thanks for watching.